Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to play on UniBet using your computer. In this case I'm using a Windows PC device, but it would be the exact same on Mac or any other device. So what you want to do is, because UniBet does not have a desktop downloadable app, it only has an app for mobile devices. We have to play on your internet browser on your computer. So go to Google Chrome or any other internet browser and go to Google itself, type in UniBet. And from there, sometimes there are sponsored links at the top. These are advertisements ran by either UniBet itself or other betting companies that will show up before the first organic link. You want to scroll past those and go to this first organic link here for UniBet, www.unibet.co.uk, because I'm in the UK. It might be .com if you're living outside of the UK. Anyway, I'll put the link in the description for you. Click that link and that'll take you to the UniBet site. From there, what you can do is, if you do not have an account, you can go to this button on the right hand side, the register button, or if you do have an account, go to login and you can type in your email and password and actually start playing on UniBet. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like the video and subscribe. Thanks.